take me to the movies, but I couldn't enjoy it. I didn't even let her sneak a touch. She asked me what's the problem, maybe we can talk about it. You're thinking about your mother way too much, and you got it so bad when the only boy you know is your dad. And boy, you got it so wrong when you look into her eyes and all you really see is your mom. Whoa, 'cause you're a mama's boy, mama's boy, mama's boy, mama's boy. You're a mama's boy, mama's boy. Yeah, you're just a mama's boy. You're just a mama's boy. You're just a mama's boy. You're just a ow.